Welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're going to be making some puffy slime. Let's get started. We're 6 ounces of Elmer's glue.
Yes.
You can use white or you can use colored glue, whatever you want. So after you dump the glue in, we're going to do a 1/4 cup of water. Here's the water. And mix all that together.
Mix.
So we're doing a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh. And then we're adding acrylic paint. You want to add about 1 tablespoon or a little more, plus or minus, depending on how dark you want it.
Okay, it's perfect. Right? It's a good pink.
What are you eating?
3 cups of shaving cream.
It's about 1 cup.
I mixed it in good.
Smells like soap.
Alright, then we're doing 2 tablespoons of contact solution. Make sure you get the kind that has boric acid in it.
And sodium borate. And you can add a little more too if needed. So like, Wyatt's is gonna need more. No.
Slimy.
Alright, start mixing it. Use your hands now, Wyatt.
Oh, it's on me.
That's okay.
Get a closer look here.
So why?
And if you need to, you can always add more if it's too sticky, so you don't want it to stick to your hands or the bowl.
Feels like a bathroom.
It's getting thick. With some thick slime.
Looking good. So to buy all this at the store, it costs about $15 to make these 2 giant bowls full of slime. You can definitely make smaller ones if you want, just half the recipe. We doubled the recipe here, so we made 2. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. In a minute here, we'll start playing with it once we're done. I'll show you the final result. If you haven't already, if you want to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if this was helpful, and keep on doing it yourself.
Alright, hold on. You're gonna add a little more, and then I'm gonna do this next, okay?
Here you can put it in there. If you gotta having a party or something, have a lot of little kids, you can each have their own little ball.
Or you can make fart noises with it. Wait, not quite.
I'll pick up a camera.
Put air in the bottom, I think.
You want some slime? Or
Poop spreads.
And here's the final result. So you can see it's pretty cool, kind of fluffy slime.
it's so sticky.
So the fluffy will go away after the first day, so it'll only be 1 day where it's kind of fluffy like this. Then it'll be just regular slime after. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Lotion.